This is a super quick demo on how to use the YouTube filter to locate closed caption videos. Before we start, the educator in me feels compelled to explain that closed captions are not only important for our different abled students. A 2016 national study of 2,124 students across 15 public and private universities nationwide found that 54% of all students use captions. Now, I could bore you with the neuroscience minutia, but I promised this would be super quick. So let's just say that the brain research shows that multisensory inputs facilitate recall and comprehension. Awesome, right? So back to captions. There are two types, auto-captioned and people-captioned. Here's an example of the perils of auto-captioning brought to you by everyone's favorite, TheKrebs Cycle.
Which is carried on COE. In other words, acetyl COE. And it's the acetyl group that we're interested in. COE is much larger than two carbons, but the acetyl group enters the Krebs cycle.
I suppose you do not need to be a scientist to recognize that chorea is much larger than two carbons, but who knew the L group was even interested? All joking aside, machines, not people, auto-caption. Machines have trouble decoding technical terms, and do not even get me started on their shocking disregard for punctuation. People caption videos are, well, exactly that. Someone has intentionally captioned a video, and we can be reasonably sure that the content is accurate because, well, professionally captioned video is not cheap. Moving right along, let's return back to the Krebs cycle. Here's my initial search, and you'll notice the auto-caption video pops up. Here's the good news. You do not have to sift through tons of videos. Navigate to the filters menu and select subtitles/CC. YouTube eliminates all auto-captioned videos. It's that easy. By using the YouTube filter function, your students, and yes, even the Krebs cycle, are assured captioning accuracy.